My channel. In this video, I will share with you how to change your MacBook wallpaper for the lock screen. So step one, click on this little Apple icon, select System Settings, then look for Wallpaper, and here you can select between going with a color screen. You can go with those simple pictures. You can go with the images that shuffles every duration after a specific period. You can go with those earth wall images, and if you want to add a custom, and those are the known system wallpapers. And if you want to add or use a custom lock screen wallpaper photo, click on add photo from photos or choose. Locate the photo on your computer, for example, this download folder, double click it, and it will be added here and use it as your lock screen wallpaper.